Okay, so I have a couple pretty good work from home job leads for you today. One of them you'll do a whole lot of admin work, and the other one you'll verify information. So these jobs are beginner friendly, meaning they're really not requiring a whole lot of related experience, and for the most part, they're introvert friendly. You may have to pick up the phone once in a while to get missing information or relay information to specific individuals. But don't let that worry you too much if you're an introvert, because these jobs will not keep you tied to the phone all day. So our first position comes to us from Baylor Scott & White Health. This job is for an office coordinator level 2. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. And you'll be responsible for providing administrative and clerical help to a department or office you're assigned to within the company. So you do some data entry as well as word processing. You might coordinate logistics for office events and moves and provide backup help for reception and the mailroom. You'll be accountable for office operations of your department, and you may also coordinate workload distribution among clerical staff and conduct training programs to keep staff updated on current regulatory requirements and program accreditation. You may also assist in developing policies, procedures, and targets to maximize workflow and ensure accuracy of records, reports, and letters. You may also answer and screen phone calls and route those phone calls as appropriate, plan and schedule calendars based on consultation, resolve calendaring conflicts, and make travel arrangements, and promptly open, route, and distribute incoming and outgoing materials in a timely manner. So yep, you're going to do a whole lot of admin work in this position. They'd like you to have knowledge of office procedures, and you're able to provide consistently excellent customer service. But don't worry, this is not a customer service position. You may have to pick up the phone once in a while to get additional information or to relay information to individuals inside or outside the company. You can maintain confidentiality of delicate and confidential information. You have good social skills, and you're also skilled in document management, including sorting and filing techniques and records retention to maintain accurate records. You have your typical soft skills, and you also have general computer skills, including but not limited to typing, information security, electronic medical documentation, and handheld scanning and email. So for this job, they want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent and about 1 year experience. Now, when it comes to that experience, just think of any kind of job you had where you did any kind of admin work. That would qualify. And as far as the salary, they're not sharing that anywhere on this job description, but I have a feeling based on my experience looking at similar roles, I have a feeling this job could pay anywhere from $17 to $20 per hour, but I can't guarantee that. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So the next opportunity I have is with the company First Advantage. This job is for a verification specialist. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. They tell us that right here on the job description, and you'll work from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time Zone hours. You don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. So this company provides background screening and identity verification services, and what you do is obtain verifications for non-criminal background screening elements, including employment history, professional licensures, educational degrees, and DOT compliance. So in this job, you will have to pick up the phone every once in a while to relay information to the appropriate parties. You'll conduct inbound and outbound communications as required, exchanging information via telephone, email, letter, or fax. So you're not really going to be tied to the phone all day in this position. It's definitely not a customer service job. You'll research, validate, and verify contact information associated with each background screening element to ensure source accuracy, while accurately documenting all elemental interactions and transactions, including inquiries, comments, findings, and actions taken. And you'll also identify and escalate discrepancies or unverifiable information to designated departments for further review and investigation. You need a high school diploma or a GED. An associate's or bachelor's degree is preferred, just preferred, it's not required. They would like you to have about 1 year relevant work experience, preferably in a call center or related role and or in positions involving fact and data verification. They prefer you can demonstrate the ability to perform repetitive tasks with a high level of accuracy, and PBSA basic certificate is a plus. You're proficient using Microsoft Office products, particularly Excel, and you have strong attention to detail, and you're able to exercise sound judgment. And I'm going to scroll down here to show you the salary. Right here they tell us they'll pay you $18 per hour. So hopefully one of these beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for a work-from-home job that is non-phone, responding to email and chat only, you can find a job in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.